So more derivatives. Here is one that we will have to manipulate to make this a lot easier. First of all, the square root, we want to change it to power, and the square root is the same as to the power of 1/2. But also sine x, cos x, and half in front of it. I kind of want to change that into the double angle identity of sine 2x. So there we go. We'll start this. So now we know from the identity that sine 2x equals 2 sine x cos x. So here, for me to change this to 2 sine x cos x, what we need to do is I'm going to manipulate it I'm going to put a half, the same half there. And then the sine x cos x, what I'm going to write for that is, so since I have sine x cos x by itself right there, I want to put in a 2 right there to make it match this right here. But I cannot just throw a 2 in front of the sine x. The only way I could throw a 2 in front of the sine x, if I multiply it by a half, I multiply that 2 by a half, because half times 2 is 1. And since this is 1, I could multiply that by sine x. 1 times sine x cos x will just give you sine x cos x. But of course, we're not going to put 1. We're going to put half times 2. That's 1. That's going to change the look of this. And then we have the sine x and the cos x right there. So now this half, I'm going to multiply it into the half outside. So I get 1/4 brackets 2 sine x cos x. And that will give me 1/4. As a matter of fact, hold on a second. I'm just going to do a few things at the same time here. So this will give me y equals the 1/4. The square root of 1 is 1. And the square root of 4 on the bottom is 2. And then I still have the 2 sine x cos x, which I'm going to change. You know what? I'm going to change that to sine 2x. That's what I was doing. All of that 4. So that's sine 2x right there. And also I'm going to change this into a half times sine 2x to the power of 1/2. Okay. So now we could start doing the derivative. So y prime, so I'm just going to change colors. So y prime would equal, I'm taking the derivative from here. So I bring the half times half is 1/4 sine 2x to the negative 1/2, because I'm taking 1 from the exponent. Now I go on the inside here and I say the derivative of cos 2x is just, the derivative of sine 2x is just cos 2x. I'm getting ahead of myself. And then times the derivative of the 2x, which is 2. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to have that 2 multiplied into the 1/4, which gives me 1/2. 2 times 1/4 is 1/2. And cos, and I'm going to make this fraction a little bit longer, cos 2x. So I brought the 2 times 1/4 there. Also cos 2x goes on top. This I'm going to bring it to the bottom where the 2 is, to the power of 1/2. And therefore my final answer is cos 2x all over 2 square root of sine 2x. And that's the answer for that one. So I just want to say good luck to all the university students, especially here at UVic, and anybody that's doing final exams. Hopefully you're watching my channel and you're finding my explanations are clear and helping you. So if that's happening, Don't forget to subscribe my channel, share with others so they could benefit, and hit that like button. Thank you again for watching. Bye-bye.